right, let's get this show on the road. Here we go in 3, 2, and 1. I'm in the charts all day. My goal is to make you money. I provide the information required to know exactly when to enter. I don't give this blanket statement, buy the breakout, buy the retest. Join me every single day, 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, to understand the who, what, where, when, and especially the why when it comes to trading. This is why the coin's dumping. Every 7 days, it's releasing tokens. All right, mic check. Mic check. Mic looks good. Mic looks nice. All right, here we go. In 3, 2, and a bingo bango. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time is your time. It's always time. Guessed it. It's always time to make this money. So let's do it, guys. Let's make this money. My name is Joe, also known as Trade Intuition, where we show you that when we see red, it's okay because we expect it. Does it mean it's gonna happen? Nope. Just means that it might happen, and right now it is happening, so this is good. What does this mean? We can buy at a lower price. Now, I have a question though for you, and I should put this in as a poll. Do you think, well, I tell you what, let me do it as a poll. Let me do it as a poll. Who's in here, guys? Who is in here? Let me know. Let me know who's in here. Let's see here. Do you think this weekend? All right, so the question that I'm putting in the chats or for the poll is, do you think all-time high this weekend? We're right there. But if we're right there, why aren't the coins acting like it? Good question. I posted this to my group earlier. I was like, it's off. Something's off. Sometimes when Bitcoin goes down, the alts aren't following it and they're going up, which is good because then that's like our little mini alt season, you know, whether it's a day or two or very many. But when Bitcoin lately has been going up, alts go up. Bitcoin goes down, alts go down. And I'm doing these charts and I know Bitcoin's going up and I'm looking at these charts all day and hundreds of charts. And I see them going down. I'm on the 1 hour time frame. I see it going down. Next chart I do, down, down. Next chart I do, down, down. Next chart I do, down, down. Of course, I'm doing my levels and everything else. And I keep on doing this like, why is this going down? And I'm just thinking, okay, Bitcoin's going up and now it's going down. You know, it's doing that number. And after a bit, I went and I checked Bitcoin, and this is Bitcoin. Bitcoin was going up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hours of up. Yet these coins, they're not going up as well. So I let the group know. I said, all right, you know, more than likely people are exiting their coins to get ready for the Bitcoin pump. You know, here we do have from Uphold, they posted this pretty recently. I sent it to my group like 6 minutes after they posted. It says, falling interest rates in the US, Europe, and China could fuel a crypto Santa rally. I believe so. And then of course this started happening. I was like, all right, here we go. People are taking out their money from the alts and they're starting to put it in probably Bitcoin to catch this all-time high that we are so close to, literally $1,000 away right now at this moment. We were as close to about $280 away. $280 away from this last candle. Almost there, guys. Almost there. Now, isn't it so funny? I mean, not too long ago, where were we here? 92. And then it broke. And then it went. Then it retraced. And then now, let me go move this down. And then now, you know, we were in this for a little bit. Broke up, new all-time high, December 5th. And then we started doing this number. This looks very similar on the daily time frame to what we were experiencing over here, where we did an all-time high, then a low, lower high, lower low. But this one lasted a very long time before we finally broke out of it. But this right here looks very, very similar to this on the 1 hour time frame, where we, you know, all-time high. Well, this actually all-time high, come down, come up, come down, but then broke through it, get out of here, and then dump city. And this is pretty much the warning that I was mentioning or referring to a few months ago, several months ago, basically all year, to where we'll break all-time high. Market makers will make us think that we're going to continue going up to the moon, and they're going to dump on us, and they're going to dump fast and hard, and then bring it back up. Now, there was a few different scenarios where we're thinking, okay, they'll bring it back up only to find support, then come up, break this resistance. So now everybody's bullish again. Everybody starts going long, and then to possibly make a lower high and then bring it down really hard again, and this time go down lower. That's still on the table. Once again, nobody knows what's going to happen. And all these mentors out here, they're saying that they know, and, you know, they told you so. No, we just have, you know, levels and probabilities. And when they play out, man, it feels great. It feels great. But for me, I'll never say, excuse me, I told you so. I can say we talked about it, you know, with an up or down scenario, but I'll never say, oh, I called it. I said it was going to do this, and it, no. I mean, even when I draw these out literally perfectly, I say it could have gone the other way. It could have. Right now, this was the zone we were looking at. This resistance zone is what we're looking at. Hey guys, how's it going? I see you in the chat. Of course, those who haven't said hi yet, put a 1 in the chat. Put a 1 in the chat. Let me know you are here. And of course, we do have a poll going on right now. Do you think Bitcoin is going to go to all-time high this weekend? Of course, today is Sunday, and we're pretty darn close. Do you think we're going to get maybe a bounce here and then skyrocket to the moon? Let me know. Let me know. So this was our zone right here. We got rejected, came down, got rejected, came down, rejected again, finally making some headway, but nope, couldn't do it. Bounced off of the 50 SMA on the 1 hour time frame, tried it one more time, and success. And then of course everybody's bullish, everybody's going long, everybody is maybe too much leverage, because once we hit this, more than likely we might come down and then just blast through it. If that's the case, then it's gonna get crazy. We do got crypto coin mindset on X saying bingo and a bango, a bingo and a bango. We do have Duality Crypto, I believe was the very first one today. Duality Crypto gets the prize of being first. Thank you, my friend. We have Crypto Candy in second, a very, very close, tight race. Crypto Candy is in second. I do appreciate you guys for being here. And of course, we got Tano, appreciate you, man. Hope you're learning a bunch. A lot of great info in the VIP group. And of course, thought process videos when they need to be done based off of the different variables that happen daily. So today, I think I popped out, shoot, man, 5, 6 videos. Most of them were really short, but one of them was a advanced leverage trading course that, since you're in the VIP, you get all this stuff for free. Yeah, I don't charge you. I don't nickel and dime you, none of that. I wonder where my buddy is, the one who scammed me, the most recent scam. Petrus, I wonder where he's at. He was showing up every day, but then he scammed me out of money, scammed me out of my time, gave him 2 hours of my time. Not saying that my time's like super, super valuable. Don't get me wrong, but, you know, had a talk with him, 2 hours, and showing him, you know, what to expect in the group, what, you know, this and that. He was going to be working with me as far as my video editing. Paid him some money, gave him some more money as far as the Telegram premium yearly thing. Did that for him, like, just as a thank you for, gonna help me out. Gonna. Then he reached out to me. He was having issues with leverage. I said, man, all I got is 30 minutes, man. I'm like super booked. I got 30 minutes. I was talking to him for an hour, helping him out because I saw that he still had more questions. Helping him out. And then he goes and he scams. I think he left the group. I'm not even sure. I should check. But he scammed me out of my time, 3 hours with him, out of my money. Not a lot, but still it's money. And pretty, I mean, I already replaced them. I replaced them like 5 minutes after I noticed that he wasn't there in the chat. And he deleted our DMs. So I replaced him like 5 minutes later. So was he valuable? Yes. Replaceable? Everybody is. I'm replaceable. Everybody's replaceable. All right, here we go. Bullish on parade. What's up, my dude? What's going on, my friend? Teno says, lots of great info being posted in the VIP. Yep. That's on the daily, guys. On the daily. So here we go. What are we looking at? Bitcoin. What are we doing? Bitcoin. What are we doing? Of course, it's coming up. I do see it coming down. It might break this. I mean, it's been breaking it. It's really not even holding this level. I mean, it held it here. It broke it here. It broke it here. It held it here. It broke it here. It broke it here. Maybe it holds. Maybe we're seeing a pattern. Hold, break, hold, break, hold, question mark. We'll see. But if it doesn't hold, we have this level that we're really looking. If it breaks this level, man, this weekend's going to be rough. It's going to be rough. We'll see if coins are getting stopped out. Now, we did get stopped out in the group. In the group, was it this one? Yeah. We got stopped out on this one. This is our GOAT trade. We did okay on it. If you're ever wondering what these mean, this is where our original stop loss was. Then we moved up our stop loss. I update the group. Then we moved it up again, only to get a little bitty wick, touch it, and then watch. Now it's going to go up. But not to worry, we have an alert for re-entry. And so this one, we took our first profit of 30% with leverage 2x, 60%, and then stopped out in profit 9% with leverage 18%. Not bad. And this one, I think we just posted. When did we post it? I don't remember if we posted it underneath here. I think this was an aggressive trade. Pretty sure of it. Yeah. All right. We got Dave P in the house. What's up, Dave P? Now, I do want to show another one. This is Bigtime. We gave out this call yesterday on the live stream. We're saying, enter 50% right now because it broke this level. It looks like it may have gotten the bottom. This is our buy zone. It tapped it, broke this level. We were looking at it, it's like, yeah, buy now. So we bought. Again, not financial advice. Nothing on this channel is financial advice. It is strictly for entertainment purposes. Then it came down and it came up. Now, based off of how I teach this, let's go and delete this. Get out of here, mess. And let's get rid of this. Get out of here, mess. And get out of here. So based off of how I teach, this is a level that we need to break, but we also have one right here. It's really close to it. So what I will do is I'll just wait for this one. So I would have, if I was looking at this, set an alert right here. And we can even do a 15-minute candle. The 15-minute candle needs to close at least above this level. Above this level would be great. But since we have it way up here, there's a really good chance that we're already seeing maybe it play in this area or possibly start going up. Our alert goes off. We see it. We enter the trade. We enter the trade. It goes up. Now, granted, I know it came down. We can all see that it came down. But what I do is I teach you what I would have done in the moment of the trade versus what everybody else teaches. They say, no, we would have because of the divergence and the 17.5 time frame says, yeah. I don't even know if they have time frames, but I'm sure if they did, it would just be another reason for people to make excuses. Here, we would have entered. We entered, it goes up, met this zone. I mean, just look at this box. Good Lord. This is a box of resistance right here. Came up, got support. Hey, look at that. I was looking over here. Got support, and then it just couldn't do it. It broke lower, breaking lower. Could this possibly be the area of possible support? Nobody knows. But come on, all that time for an empty box. What's going on here? So this, we're using these kind of body closes. This kind of body close. These body closes for this zone. Lots of green on my charts. This is my area of possible bounce. Possible bounce. Just like I was here, resistance, resistance, resistance until it becomes support. So now I'm looking at this. Now, would I enter this trade right now? It's higher risk. You could potentially. If you did, my stop loss would be about 2%. I like that. You could go as low as 5%. So you could do a 2x leverage, 3x, depending on your comfort zone. And then what I would do is I would just add once it breaks this level. And I do it on this one. So make sure our magnet tool is on. Once it breaks that level, good to go. Now, granted, you're still in this box, so once we break this level, now we're gaining more confidence that we would potentially go up. But this is my thought process on this one. For me personally, I would do it at 2%. We'll just call it 3%. And then I would do like a higher leverage. I don't want to say the amount of leverage just in case people take that trade. We got Day P saying a bingo and a bango. A bingo and a bango. You guys are great. You guys are fantastic. You guys are fantastic. Let's see here. Get out of that. Go ahead, get out of it. Close. Get to this. Good. Very good. Very good. All right, moving on. Let's see. Any coins, guys? Any coins, comments, concerns, issues? Let me know, or forever hold your peace. I got my this, and we have been filling up these like crazy, and I love doing this. So what I do is I take an hour out of my day, and I devote it to you to make you money. If you have any questions on patterns, divergence, indicators, trading in general, how, any question that you may have, now's the time to ask. This is a 1 hour of free mentorship. Normally people charge $99 an hour, but I give it to you for free because I want you to make money, period. No strings attached. No, oh, you got to join my group and I'll finish the thought process. No, like you ask me questions and I answer them here. One thing I love this. And we do this every single day, Monday through Friday, 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Saturday and Sunday at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I love this because there are so many coins that I would not even looked at. And that's why I also love watching other YouTubers that do live streams, because their community will talk about coins. I hear the coin, I do my own research. I either like it or I don't like it. And then of course I provide it to my community. And here, y'all have given me quite a few that I would not have even thought of. One that's been making us some good money is TAI. I love that coin. Absolutely do. See here, we got Goldie Crypto in the house. What's up, Goldie Crypto? Appreciate you for being here. Appreciate you greatly. Right now, we're just kind of looking at coins, seeing what we can enter. We also, at the very beginning, we go over Bitcoin and looking at Bitcoin to seeing what it's doing. It's going to the all-time high. Are we going to do it on this live stream? Is that going to be super crazy, amazing, making history once again with Bitcoin? It's amazing. Like now it just rolls off the tongue. We're at 103.1. You know, we need to get to 103.3 or 103.6. Just a few weeks ago, we were so low. I love it. I love it. Goldie Crypto says, can you take a look at ETH? Yes, I do believe ETH is going to do very well. ETH, in my opinion, even though it has a huge market cap, 3x. 3x, possibly 5x, possibly. But let's look at some ETH. Now, here's the thing, guys. If you want... So I worked really hard on this, hours upon hours upon hours. I have watch list AI agents I think are going to be huge. Some that are listed already on Binance and some that aren't. This is gold. Everything that I show you is to make you money. It really is. There's no bamboozlement here. There's no, oh, I can't show you this unless you join my group. No. Now, granted, everybody in the group has on my list because I go above and beyond for what people say. Now, if you want these lists, one, you can take a screenshot. I'll actually get out of the way for you. You can take a screenshot of this or pause the video. Those are all of my AI agents that I have on a watch list. Now, I will have these for sale on Patreon for just a few dollars, just to kind of help contribute to the YouTube channel. If you don't have a few dollars, well, guess what? I just gave you it all for free. I don't nickel and dime you. If you want to save time, well, then it'll be on there later today for the Patreon. If you, here's AI agents. Oh, let's go to this open list. I want to give you one more, guys. I want to give you one more. Let's see, which one did I do? Meme coins. This is gonna, no, this one's too good. This one's too good. This one's gonna make you a lot of money because it's on these areas that new money will be going. So just kind of give you a heads up. That one's gonna be a good one. We will do, there's another one that I just did. Did a lot. Let's give you one more for being here, and I greatly appreciate you. AI agents. So this one actually has more. So let's show you this one as well. So AI agents, let me make this a little bit larger so you can see all of the name, and I'll do the same with the other one too. So take a screenshot of this. Let me get my face out of the way. So I actually broke it down in subcategories. So if you purchase it from me, it'll be in subcategories. We have current state of AI agent. Then we have agent creation, AI training, AI agents infrastructure, and AI agent data. If you find this information valuable, you ain't seen nothing yet in my group. You ain't seen nothing yet. And then here's all this again, but this side with all the, it's spread out a little bit more. Okay. Excuse me. I'm moving on. I bet you weren't expecting that, guys. I bet you weren't expecting that. So if you want to purchase these to where you don't have to type them in, all of them, they will be available for sale on Patreon. Let me put the Patreon link in here. Here is my Patreon. There's a lot of free stuff in there. I actually just uploaded a video that I did not put on YouTube that's going to help you make money. And that's on Patreon. It's a free. So just to let you know, there's a lot of free stuff over there. Lots of free stuff. Goldie Crypto says, thank you. Greetings from Amsterdam, Netherlands. Awesome. Thank you. We got Mike Play in the house. What's up? Buy and sell. Buy and sell. Buy and sell. Let's go. All right. So we're going to look at ETH. ETH USDT. Mexi, what do we see on ETH? So when the price was here, I would say, man, it'd be really great if we had a retrace to about here and then hopefully get a bounce and come up. Did it do it? Nope. It found support right here. Beautiful support. Look at that. Oh my gosh. I did not even pre-plan that. Beautiful support right here. Broke out, retested, broke out of this high, came back, retested this high. Get out of here. ETH, what are you doing? You are just making us look like geniuses. Broke out of this, retested this high, candle body close, and now broke out of this. Like, are you kidding me right now? Did it even do that too? If it did, that's gonna be crazy. Look at that. Candle body close, 1 hour time frame, to the penny. To the penny. Special like, guys, special likes if you're new to the channel. Make sure to subscribe. If you want, you can become a YouTube member. It gives you some very valuable perks depending on how high up tier you get on the YouTube membership. Depends on what you get. Let me just show this to you really quick. I think it's this one. So you get this for the different prices. You get additional content for the higher thing you go. This is the granddaddy of them all. This is the VIP group. You can get this from Patreon. Of course, it is a Telegram group that we're on, and this just gives you access to the group. Of course, if you do this, reach out to me once it's done on Telegram. And of course, my Telegram is up top, up there. All right, so we're looking at ETH. Let's you know what? Let's look at it from a clear, clean perspective. Let's delete our 18 drawing. Let's go to a higher time frame like we normally do. We're looking at the daily time frame, and we're also looking at all-time highs. All-time highs in the making very, very soon. Let's go ahead and label the all-time high. According to Mexi, all-time high was 48.65. It may be different on your exchange, but this is what I got. So here, man, we're right at it too. Good Lord. So going way back over here, back on the last bull cycle, this was April 2021. We have a level right here, and then we have a level just a little bit higher. And I'm actually going to use the higher one just because we have more touches over here. All of this is relevant. All of this is relevant. Previous price action really does help to show where the current price action is. Man, I look really dark. Can I get some lighting over here? Can we get some lighting? Let's see if we can get some light. A little bit better. All right. I think it's because I am dark. I think that's the problem. But is it really? Is it a problem? All right, moving on. Let's see here. I was gonna say something. Let's see here. We have ETH on the weekly time frame, breaking above and slightly coming down. Do we have any divergence? We have a high and a higher high. We have a high and a higher high. No divergence on the weekly. What else do we see? We see straight up. I don't like straight up. When straight up happens, retrace is soon to follow if it's time for it to retrace. It could continue going up like it did here. Straight up, small retrace, straight up, and now a little bit more of a retrace. Looking at this, let's go to the daily time frame. On the daily, we're looking for divergence. We have a low, a lower low. However, we have a low and a higher low. Divergence possibly already played out. It doesn't mean that it's going to go to the moon. It just means that there might be a change of direction, which we did see. After several candles, we can say this is a confirmed divergence. Now, the only question is, did it finish? Or is it going to continue going up? If we create a pivot and several candles form after it going down, for me, it's always 3 to 5. And nobody ever gives definitions. They just give broad statements. I give you definitions. So if you're brand new to the channel, I normally don't say any words or phrases or put stuff in context that you have to think. whenever I say anything, I give you the definition of it, because when I was new, that wasn't happening. I spent 45 minutes trying to figure out what PA was. Price action. Yeah, 45 minutes. I don't want that to happen to you. Your time is very valuable. So every time I do something, I always say what it is. Generally. All right, moving on. So we're looking at this. We're right underneath resistance. For here, if I was thinking about entering, it is bullish. I'm not gonna lie. I mean, could we get a retrace? Yes, and that's supposed to happen. Yes, but for here, I would say set an alert right at 41.41. Let's make it 41.41. There we go. Let's go and copy this, and let's make this a little fancy. We like getting fancy with it over here. So 41.41, this is where our alert should be. Of course, you always want to turn on your alert. Now on this one, I was in a long on this. I believe somewhere over here. But then I got out. When it's just coming down, I just got out. I was in profit. I didn't want it to come all the way down because at that time, a lot of coins were coming down. But with that being said, do I expect this to pull back? The market's bullish. Bitcoin at the moment is very bullish. It could potentially take the entire market with it. I'm trying to look for reasons why not to be in this trade. Well, for one, it's right under resistance and we have to wait for the alert. But I'm looking for reasons for it to possibly come down. I mean, we do have this liquidity here and a lot of liquidity right here. So this is my thought process. For this one, make sure my tool is on. If the price action crosses underneath this white line, 35.17, not good. Because now we may start the retracement coming all the way down. So the retracement for this one, I'm seeing it to possibly go something like this to about here, and then maybe bounce up. And that will put us in this box. So whenever I'm doing my levels, it's never just random. It's never, oh man, I think it'd be cool right here. Man, it would look so awesome if I did like this pattern. I'm always looking to the left. And if you follow my crosshairs, you'll see all these, like this right here, I stopped because of this. This one right here, I stopped because of all of these stops. Anytime I'm doing anything, it's very strategic, whether it be targets, stop losses, using the path tool to kind of say where I think it might go. This is if it breaks this level. Now, if it goes up, well, we don't have any levels to go by. We don't have anything really to go by. Like we have this area here that I can do my stops. So let's go ahead and just kind of map it out what I think might happen. So let's go back over here. And looking to the left, based off of what we just did. Oh, we're right here. So this one, I guess I'll use it for right now and then I'll delete it. So this is what I think might happen based off of this information we just gathered from previous bull run. If it comes up, more than likely, very highly likely, come down right at this area, come up again, break through this level, come up here to resistance, come back down to support, and then there you go. So let's go ahead and delete both of these because this is what we use as guidelines from the previous price history. This is what I think might happen. Now, when would I enter? When would I enter? Well, first, I was eating some popcorn. There was a kernel. I was like, where'd that kernel come from? All right. Note to self, brush teeth after popcorn. Because then you have the, what did I used to call it? The when did I syndrome. Like if you don't brush your teeth after the popcorn, you will have the when did I syndrome. If you're not familiar with when did I syndrome, it's when did I eat popcorn? That's the when did I syndrome. Yep. That's literally what happened right now. Like, I had the when did I syndrome. I was like, oh yeah, I just had it. Like, I literally just had it. All right, moving on. So, talking about the when did I syndrome, this right here is a very nice area to enter once it breaks this level of resistance. If it doesn't break the level of resistance, we could come down. This could be a bull trap and we come down. Questions, comments, concerns, issues, let me know, or forever hold your peace. Let's look at some coins that we've been doing on YouTube. Let's see here, MicroStrategies. We were saying this one, it is looking very nice. Of course, it's a stock, and price action was right here. You know, with this, could it come down even more? Yes, of course it could. I think we're doing on the 1 hour time frame. I don't know how I got that. How did I get that level? Oh, from here. Disappears on some of the time frames. That's pretty weird. But on the 4 hour time frame, oh, and we're above it already. This would be a great entry, in my opinion, because I was thinking maybe it comes down, maybe it does this number. But for MicroStrategies, this would be an enter now. So let's go ahead and do it as an official setup. So this would be an enter now. Again, none of this is financial advice. This is YouTube entry. And then let's go ahead and make it official with the dates. YouTube entry. And then today is December 15. Man, already middle of December. 5:35 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So let us delete this. This is when we can add. So let me put this here as well. What am I going to do? I'm going to do this so I can copy the coordinates. Gonna make it look fancy. There we go. And then we're also going to put some text too. So this is going to say enter now. 50%. Enter now 50%. It's always 50%. It's never all in. Enter 50% now. Add to entry. See here, 4 hour must close above 427, if I can type, 96. I like it. I like it a lot. Looks clean to me. Let's delete that. Let's do this over. All right. So if you're looking at Microsoft strategies to enter this stock trade, my recommendation, of course, not financial advice, my recommendation to myself would be enter now 50%, add to the entry only if the 4 hour candle closes above 418. Why did I type this in wrong? Let's change this. 418.6. Here. So let's try that again. For this particular coin, this is MicroStrategies. This is a stock. And of course, my thought process on this one for myself would be enter now 50%, add to the entry only if the 4 hour candle closes above this white line, which is our resistance level, and that is 418.60. And we would have a stop loss of roughly about 12%. That's kind of big for a stock, but with the gains, this is a longer term hold. With the gains that we could potentially get, this is fine. The stop loss will be at 380.33. I do like this, and I think it's going to do well. I think it's going to do very well. All right. Let's see here. Moving on. Very good. And make sure everything is working. All right. And for those of you who are here, put a 1 in the chats if you are here. Now, if you're a lurker, put a 2 in the chat. Let me know that you will not be doing any kind of comments with the 2 in the chat. Let me know. I just kind of like to get a feel of who's here. Once again, we do this Monday through Friday at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Saturday and Sunday at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We go over coins that you're looking at. We go over charts. We go over whether it's crypto or stocks. We do them both. We also explain indicators, how to use them, any questions that you may have when it comes to trading. I share my tips and tricks. There's no bamboozlement here. I'm not, giving you little bits and pieces and say, oh, you got to join my group. No, I give it all to you. So ask me questions. Ask me questions. Uh-oh, we got some lurkers in here. We got some lurkers. So we are not going to distract them. We will allow them to lurk. And this is, of course, Wick 589. Appreciate you greatly. Appreciate you. We also have Mike as a lurker. He's a lurker, but he contributes. And I appreciate the contribution because guess what? It helps support the channel. Anytime there's active chat in the channel, that shows engagement, and YouTube loves it. Same thing with these little heart emojis in the hundreds and the parties. When you're clicking on those, supposedly it's doing stuff for the algorithm. I don't know. But I do thank you guys very much. If you have a coin you want me to do, let me know. This is no holds barred. I give you full access to my brain. I give you full access to all of my tips and tricks. I will not try to trick you to join my group. I actually offer my group to you. I never sell it to you. If I was selling it to you, of course, I would act way different than what I do because I'm trying to sell you something. Here, it's a friend offering a friend something that could help them. If they like it, great. If not, okay. It's no biggie. So just kind of give you a heads up. That's where I stand on my group. All right, moving on. Let us go to another one. Let us see. Oh, Coti. We do have an enter now. We did it. Why did we do an enter now? I don't know why we did an enter now. Oh, I think because we saw it already like this. Expecting to come down. Enter now. More than likely get support here and then come up. But we saw the break of this. And it was above this level, which is right over here. And then we saw it around here. So we're like, yeah, enter now. More than likely come down, come up, break this level, add to your entry. So that one's good. Let's see here. This one, YouTube safer entry. Okay, so this is a safer entry. This was an aggressive entry after this run up. And of course, YouTube says there's an error, not enough video to maintain smooth streaming. Well, guess what, YouTube? I had the same settings. Same settings as yesterday, same time as yesterday, and there was no issues. I think someone's trying to, I think the Matrix is happening. Drew says HBAR. Yes, just do some HBAR. I would love to do some HBAR. Very good. See, Dave says small Dogen, I guess. Play called Neurobro. Ticker is bro. It's AI agent. Just found it. Bro. Okay. We will check out bro. These AI agents are taking off, guys. AI agents are taking off. And that's why I am going to be offering this AI agents on my Patreon for a small fee, and that helps support the channel. If you don't want to pay the small fee to help support the channel, then they're all right here. I'll even make this a little bit larger so you can see them. I did this earlier, but I haven't actually in subcategories. Current state of AI agents. We have agent creation, agent orchestration / management, infrastructure, and data at the very bottom. I think it's very important. So which one did you say, bro? Do I have that one on here? I just did this one literally last night. Well, I was up all night. Nope. So we will look at that one after we look at HBAR. All right. Very good. Very good. Very good. Let's see here. One, but in a trade. Hey, we got Waldy X in the house. What's up, Waldy? I just did my, I don't know if I have it on here. Waldy is also a fellow content creator, a YouTuber, and I had to reset my stream deck. I don't have it on here. Let me see. Ollie? No. But if you can do me a favor and follow my buddy, and I'm going to pull up his information right now. Let's go to this. And it would really help support just everybody, really. So let's go to almost there. Here we go. So this is my buddy right here. We'll put this in the chats. So if you definitely follow him, he does live streams as well. He also does videos. Show him some love. Let him know I sent you, and that would be greatly appreciated. All right. Thank you, my friend, for being here. Appreciate you greatly. Thank you for everybody smashing the likes. Thank you for everybody participating in the chats. Let's go to HBAR. We got about 10 more minutes, guys. 10 more minutes, and then that will be it. So no more requests. No more requests. We have HBAR and Bro. Now, on tomorrow's show at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, if you want your coin done, I recommend putting your coin at the very beginning of the show, because once the hour's up, unless we get, of course, super chats, but you don't have to. You can just wait for the next day. So HBAR, USDT, we're looking at this on MEXC. So here our thought process was A, thought process B. This was our level to where I was thinking, okay, probably going to come down. So far, it's still in this, and now it's starting to come down. So for this, I would strongly recommend setting an alert at 0.31723 for a possible entry. Now, in order to enter the 4-hour candle, 4-hour, must close above what level? I'm going to say this level right here. A little bit lower, give you a little bit more leeway. I do like how this level is looking. Do it right there. So right around that same level. Yeah. So I would set an alert right here. 0.13723. The 4-hour candle must close above 0.30818. If the 4-hour candle does not close above this level, in my opinion, it will continue doing this until it either breaks up or down. So that's what I would do. Now, could you try to catch the bottom here? Sure, why not? So from here to here, the bottom, it's only 4%. Now, if you think we are going up, and in my opinion, we are, we could retrace another 10, 15, 20%. But from here, we should be going up. So your thought process may be, you know what? I'm going to enter here. It's at the lower portion of this box. I'm going to do entry. Blue is always for entry. And I'm also going to put a lower bid down here. It might not even hit. But if it does, well, then that's great. That's Tony the Tiger. 15% right here. But I'm also going to go a little bit lower, just in, and I don't even think this is going to happen, especially not to HBAR, especially not to HBAR. What's the market cap on HBAR? It should be big, right? I always forget. I haven't looked at HBAR in a while as far as market cap goes, but HBAR market cap is 11 billion. Yeah, so you know, it going down to this 37%, extremely unlikely. So I would do, man, let's make it 20, because 25% doable. So this is what I would do. If I was going to enter this as a long-term investment, not as a trade. As a trade, you want to wait for this alert. As a long-term investment, I enter some now, third of my investment, third here, third here. And if we get a crazy dump, and maybe the last one doesn't hit, get a crazy dump, then it comes up, we're in profit without even trying. So these are my entries for a long-term investment. And then this one is for my just a regular trade. So that is that one. Let us look at Bro. Let us look at Bro, BRO. Is it Bro the Cat? Is it a cat? Let's try that again. BRO. We have Bro the Cat. What, you said something. It was a small degen play Neurobro. Okay, so let's type in Neuro. Trade intuition. Trade intuition. CNEUROBRO. Here it is. Neurobro AI. Now, of course, with this, there's a lot of fake ones. There's 14 more fake ones. So what I like to do is go where there's one, the most volume, and the most market cap. Market caps are about the same. This one has more volume. So I'm guessing this is the correct token. Let's see here. Block Vibe says, nice bounce on the liquidations. Oh yeah. Liquidation City, population, not me. My Uber driver was trying to take me to Liquidation City. I said, no way, Jose. I said, turn around. And he turned around. Yeah, Liquidation City, not fun. See here, 11 billion, and it's undervalued. Very nice. Yeah, 11 billion undervalued. I haven't really heard HBAR. HBAR's been coming up lately, though. See here, Drew says it's tied to the Fed for HBAR. Very nice, very nice. So for this one, I'm assuming it's, but like, how do you trade this? Where do you get this? Neurobro ticker is bro. It's AI agent. Just found it. So more than likely, you can only trade it on Solana or Radium using Solana. But I would really need more information just to make sure this is the correct one. It doesn't really matter. Holy moly. On Pump Fund. Can you say a rug? But people are buying it now, and this can make you millions. It got listed. It pumped. How much did it pump? Millionaires were made off of this. It's on base. All right. I really hate looking at all these different platforms. Like I really do. Just because I'm not very versed in it. So I don't remember where I go for base. This one, I'm guessing. I don't know. So then we go over here to base. I'm sure everybody can see this. Now we're looking at base tokens. And then now we go to search. And now we type in bro. And then, of course, there's a lot of bros. But it's that Neuro one. So let's type in Neuro. Neurobro. I like it. Looks fancy. Looks fancy. 3.9 million. Here's another one. 4 million. Here's another one. 3.8 million. Without the contract address, you could be buying any one of these. And that's why it's extremely important whenever doing these. There's a really high possibility you're going to get the wrong one unless you have a website. The website directs you to the right place as long as it is the correct website. So there's a lot of, and even if you are on a Telegram group, they usually will post the correct one because they've done a lot of research. But without the contract address, it makes it very difficult to get. See here, Wally says, Google, IBM, T-Mobile, and more companies, including SpaceX, has partnered with HBAR. Look at you. For more alpha, check out Wally X. And of course, he is on YouTube. He is a fellow content creator. That guy does great work. So make sure to follow him. Make sure to subscribe to him. Make sure to join his live streams. Dude knows his stuff. See, Crypto Coin Mindset says, if it's not too late, any chance for DNA on Solana? Either way, no problem. Yeah, we're already at the very end. But DNA, we did look at that one last time. I'm curious too. So we'll throw that one in because I am curious on that one too. Let's see here. So let's pick this one, I guess. So this is the oldest one, I'm assuming. I don't even know. So let's do this one. Bingo bango? Question mark? So this one is fairly new, of course. It's very difficult to actually use any kind of TA with stuff like this because it doesn't respect it. It doesn't respect it. So let's go ahead and do a magnet tool. Let's go ahead and do array tool. Horizontal array. So here is our level. It needs to find support on. If it doesn't, it can come way down. When I say way down, I mean way down. How far is way down? Way down, we're looking at about 60%. Barely. And then lower, maybe 90%. So this would be my area where I would really love to buy. Now with this, all of this is speculative. Like we don't know if it's going to do anything, if it's going to be a rug pull, anything. Liquidity is 504,000. Market cap is 3.1 million. All the tokens are pretty much out. Where is the remaining tokens? That's a question. Because normally you see the market cap 3.1 million, fair value, fairly diluted valuation with all of the market cap on there. So they're holding, maybe they're holding some for airdrops. I don't know. See, so it's come down, of course, because it ran up. What other information do we have? It was created 7 days and 9 hours ago. There's some more information. Some more information. So here's the contract address. If I wanted to share this with somebody, I could actually put the contract address in here, or I can just click on this. It copies it to my clipboard, and then I can send it to somebody. Here, thank you, my friend. Bingo bango. Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed. See here. Okay, let's check out their websites. Uh-oh. Continue. Okay. I start to become... Okay. Spooky. A chat with Neurobro assistant. Okay. Well, that was boring. What is Neurobro? Oh, these are chats. These are questions. See, I'm an AI-powered agent designed to... Okay, so all this could have been in a little chat box that was down here, or a Q&A. But see, if you want to learn more, official Telegram group, official Twitter. Well, let's go to your Twitter. Let's go to the Twitter space. We have this. They were in May, so a few months. Okay on the followers. One week since the launch. I don't know, I like it. Maybe just because I'm FOMOing into the AI agents. Telegram assistant. Let's see how well you do Telegram. Let's go back to Telegram. I should do this later. I really should. Okay, but I just want to check out their Telegram really quick. See here, request to join. AI revolutionizing access to crypto. Maybe I'll do it. I'm pretty sure I will. So this is what was on there. Request to join. Okay. I requested. All right, so let us look at DNA on Solana. Now, a very important person talked about this one, DNA on Solana. And we looked at it and it had gone down, but what goes down should come up. So what you want to do is you want to go to markets. Where is it available? It's on Radium and everywhere else. So let's go and click on this so we can actually go to the chart. So let's click on there. It brings us to CoinMarketCap with this. And let's go to the daily. And right now it's not doing so hot. I mean, it had some, like, I think when we heard about it, it was maybe here, I'm guessing. Came down, nice big pump. How big are these pumps? How big are these pumps? So let's just say from here, not the full extent, 500%. I'll take that. Put $100 in, get 500 out. Sure, why not? Then it came right back down. So if you put in $500, well, now it's $2. So you got to know when to hold them, know when to fold them, especially when to walk away. So if you know that reference, let me know. Let me know in the comments if you know that reference. So here, if you would have bought the breakout of this on a smaller time frame, 4 hour, woulda, shoulda, coulda, woulda, then you would have been up 500%. Granted, is it guaranteed 500%? Nope. You could take profits at 100%, sell 25%. If it goes to 200, well, then you sell a little bit more. I do like this. I need to buy some SOL so that I can get some DNA possible. Put $100 in, forget about it. Oh, I did that with SNEC. I don't know what wallet I have it in. I need to find it. That'd be pretty cool. I had a couple thousand in there. I don't even know how much I bought. $20, $100, $5. I don't think I did more than 100. Could have. I was buying some dumb stuff. I was buying just dumb stuff. But I like it. 4 hour time frame. Let's see here. It looks like it's rounding off, finding a bottom. Now the price range from where it's at to the bottom, 30%. I was gonna say 20-30%. So let's come over here to our horizontal array. Let's make sure our magnitude is on. Let's go ahead and do this right here. Let's put this in white so everybody can see. Can we make these numbers larger? Scale placement, canvas. Let's make this nice and big so y'all can see it. Bingo bango. That's what I'm talking about, guys. I want to make it easy for you, not only to know how to trade, but to see these numbers. So if it comes down, I would like to snag it about this price. Well, I don't think it'll go down that low. I think it'll go kind of to that area, but not really. I don't know where all these dumb things are. Price label. I'd probably look at entering right here. That's where I would look at entering. Now, could it break up from here? Definitely, 100%. So let's say I had $100. I do it here. Why not? I mean, there's really no way, because when this moves, it will move and you won't be able to catch it. More than likely. So for me personally, let's do this. Let's take this off. And let's put this text in white. So enter now YouTube 12/15. Oh no, I got to do December 15, 2024 at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And 50%. And this has to be large too. And let's put this on the top. So here we go. And then also I would do a lower bid down here. No, this will be my lower bid. So make sure to copy this. Copy. Go to this line. Paste. All right. See, is that the DNA website? No. This is how to chart it. So if we did the DNA, again, let's see what that's. DNA websites right here. So on the websites, I don't like that it's taking forever to load. I don't like how it rendered that picture really slow. I don't like how it took a long time to load. Don't like it. They get negative points for that. Negative points. Animation, okay. I mean, it could freak me out. Like if I didn't like that type of stuff, it could freak me out. Like gross, I'm gonna throw up right now type stuff. Binance is in my DNA. They're just using his little tweet or whatever. Dive into the code of life. Decode your future with DNA. All that good's kind of freaked me out. All that growing and name, this, total supply. They need to have these letters with black outline. Chat AI, pick AI, buy it. Okay. So they're just saying stuff about DNA. It's like, oh, let's name it DNA. DNA means tokenomics. LP burn 100%. Zero tax. I like that. Because usually there's a buy and a sell tax. Okay. I don't that animation and the zooming in and seeing the stuff grow freaks me out. I'm not gonna lie, freaks me big time out. Where's my chart? Did it delete everything? Ooh, son of a gun. But yeah, so I like it. I do the intro now. Man, I deleted my whole chart. All right, so that's it for me, guys. That is it for me. I'm gonna go down the chat really quick. If you can do me a favor, make sure smash a like. Subscribe to the channel if you're not already. We go live every single day, sometimes multiple times a day. And then on Mondays is really busy because I'm actually on Crypto Coin Mindsets channel, putting that on there at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. We do a show together. Then I do a 12 o'clock show, my show on this channel. And then I do a 4 o'clock show on Piper Academy's channel. And we go live there Monday through Friday at 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Just giving you more context as far as actual trading and charts and setups and making money, et cetera, et cetera. None of this is financial advice. And let me see what I got here. Let me see here. Going down the list. Drew says, you never count your money when you're sitting at the table. True. Ooh, man, I got so much food here, but I do want Popeyes. My cousin, he was here for like 3 days. He bought a whole bunch of stuff that is going to literally last me like 2 weeks. I was like, dude, you're only here for 3 days. Yeah, but you know, he likes certain stuff. I was like, all right, cool. Let's see here. Tano says, great song. Probably showing our age. Yes. Yes, that is very true. See here, no problem. Got to DYOR. Good. Okay. See here, going here. Bitcoin in 3, 2, 1, all-time high. All-time high. Oh, all-time high. We made it, guys. We made history. We made history on the show. I am so happy you are part of history. We just made history once again. Bitcoin above its previous all-time high of 103,647. It is currently at 103,826. This is according to Bitstamp. And we did it, guys. We are so early in this show that it's crazy. I'm super excited. I'm super pumped. This bull market is going to make us a lot of money. If you're not making money now, don't worry, you will. Stick with this channel. I will show you how to do everything that I do. I'll show you how to research. I'll show you how to do tokenomics. I'll show you how to enter trades. I'll show you why not to enter trades. All this I do for free on this channel. Now, if you want to learn faster and more and everything else, blah, 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 then I do have this to offer you. This is our membership. It's $99 a month. You can pay with credit card. If you want to save money, and who doesn't, you pay for the yearly and you get a huge, huge discount. For more information, make sure to reach out to me on Telegram, wherever it's at over here. Make sure to reach out to me and we will get you in the group today. Stop messing around. Let's make this money, guys. Let's make this money. See here, the best. You're the best, my friend. Thanks for the stream. Yeah, definitely, man. All right, bingo bango. There we go. All right, guys. But that's it for me. I do thank you so much. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me on Telegram. Until tomorrow, let's make this money. Let's go Bitcoin. All right, see ya. Everything that I say is from experience. This is what's going to save you so much time, so much money, and so much effort. If you want to make money, I will show you how. I would strongly recommend getting the VIP. You're going to make money. Now, granted, none of this is financial advice. It's never hopes and dreams and empty promises, nothing like that. See what I do. See if this makes you money. I give you my real life experience based off of my trainings, based off of my teachings, what I would do at that moment versus what everybody else does, because they want to sell you their course. They want to sell you all that stuff. I show you that my stuff works. Do we win? Yes. Do we lose? Sometimes. That's part of the game. But what I do is I show you all this so that you can see, oh man, I lost today, but Joe said he lost too. So it's okay. That's what I want you to realize, guys. If you like the content that I provide, make sure to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel if you're not already, and leave me a comment in the comment box. And I'll see you on the next video. And as always, let's make this money. All right, guys, we'll see you next time, and let's make this money. Ooh-wee. I'm so excited to be in crypto. I love crypto. Crypto equals freedom. A bingo and a bango. Take care, guys.